Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Caroline and you should totally subscribe and join the man fam. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my room tour. This is my new room. I tried to make it very aesthetically pleasing and something that describes me. So you guys will see that later in the video. Before the video though, I wanted to do a little unboxing video of Pura Vida's Club Bracelet Pack. Pura Vida was kind enough to be sponsoring today's video and they sent me 3 different bracelets to show you guys. I think it's 3. Oh wait, 4 bracelets. I was really excited, so I already opened the package, but I'm gonna show you guys what it came in. This side has my address, so I'll just show you guys this, but it came in this really cute blue teal packaging and I kind of ripped it open, so sorry about that. And then inside was this little card with one of my favorite influencers, Dreaming Out Loud. If you're watching this, love you. And there was this little pamphlet inside which had really cute details and information that I think you guys should know. Pura Vida means pure life in Spanish, and it provides 650 plus full-time jobs for artisans, artisans. I'm not really sure how to say that. So very cute, founded in Costa Rica. Now we get to open the fun part, which I'm so excited, and I actually wore the swimsuit because 1, I'm going swimming later today, and 2, it matches with the bracelets. So the bracelet pack looks like this. It has some really fun neon colors as well as black, white, and then there's one with a charm, which I'm very excited for. These are so cute. Okay, let's try them on. Fun fact for you guys, I actually wear this every single day. I've been wearing it for like the past year because my mom actually got it for me and I am obsessed with it. It's like this little wave bracelet, and then I have another Pura Vida on my ankle. So first we're gonna put on this one. It's like this white, neon pink, and black simple Pura Vida bracelet. Super cute, and I love the mix of colors. This was a great color choice. All right, next we have a thicker version, and I've actually never owned one of Pura Vida's bracelets that look like this. Most of the time I usually get these ones, so this will be exciting. It's like this black band with 3 pink stripes in the middle. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I'm super excited for this one. So it has this really cute palm tree. The band itself is this really cute neon like orange and pink color. So let's throw that on. Love this collection going on so far. And then the last one I'm so excited for. I love how simple it is, but you can also wear this with like any outfit. It's this white beaded one with pink little accents and black accents. Okay, literally how cute is this? I am obsessed with this. It goes with my swimsuit so well too, which is great because later today we're taking Instagram pictures. So shop the link down below at puravida.com and get your bracelet pack. Hey guys, welcome to my room. Alright guys, so let's get started. Just a little like background information. This room is very tiny. I'm pretty sure it's like 12 feet by like 11 feet, so it's not really that tall. So it's not really that big, so we kind of had to work with what we had. But I'm really happy with how everything turned out. So, I'll just start telling you guys everything and then where it's from, because I know a lot of you guys want to know. So this bed frame right here is from IKEA. It was like $300, I believe. I'll have the prices and everything where it's from on the screen. This comforter is from Urban Outfitters. I actually kind of spilled something, or I don't even know what happened there. I'm pretty sure my dogs did something. Hasn't even been a month yet. Then this blanket and this pillow is from Urban Outfitters. I really like how this color kind of like adds a little bit more something to the bed instead of just white, because I feel like just plain white is kind of boring. The shams are also from Urban Outfitters as well. And then these pillows, which are really comfy by the way, were only like $30 from Amazon. So I'll link them down below. Okay, moving on to this thing right here. This mirror is from IKEA. It's a very long mirror and I'm pretty sure it was like $69 or $70. This clock is from my old room and it is from Target, I believe. Everybody seems to want to know where these flowers are from, and they're actually from Michael's. They were $20 each, so that was 1, 2, 3, 4, something. I'm pretty sure we cut off a little bit and put it there, so I think we kept like 4 or 5 strands, but we had like a coupon thing, so it actually wasn't as expensive as we thought. This circle mirror is from Target, but I'm pretty sure that you can find mirrors like this almost anywhere. And then this is my YouTube play button for when I hit 100,000 subscribers. Alright, so this section is basically like my work, makeup, homework, but homework hasn't come yet. We're just gonna try to avoid that. This plant holder, the little macrame thing, is from World Market. The plant itself is from Lowe's. It was $15 and I'm really obsessed with the plant, and my mom said that I should get something that's actually real in my room to give me oxygen. So that is why we got the real plant for that. Otherwise...
That's real?
Yeah, that's real. This is fake, the cactus. My desk I've kept from my old room. It's from IKEA. I love it. It has the Alex drawers. The cactus is from Target. I really like it. It's like cute decor. That is from IKEA. It's like this really cute little mirror to do your makeup in. This stool right here is definitely not the comfiest for homework, but this is from Target. I really like how it looks with the ram, so that's kind of why I got it. And then this little rug thingy is from IKEA. Makes it a little bit more comfortable. And then this trash can is from Target. It's actually just like a bin, but I kind of made it a trash can, and it is not very pretty right now, so just ignore that. Moving on to this. This is my nightstand. It is actually a matching set to the bed frame from IKEA, so this goes with it. In the top drawer, I keep all my swimsuit tops, and then in the bottom drawer, I keep all my swimsuit bottoms. This lamp is from Home Goods. This candle is from Home Goods as well. This little alarm clock, which wakes me up every single day at 4:30 for CrossFit, is from Target. I've got my Alexa here. This little coaster thing is actually just a wood slab from Michael's, but I thought it was cute for a coaster. Glasses are from Madewell, and then I'm pretty sure that's like it. Oh wait, no, the lights. Forgot the lights. The lights are a huge part of my room, which I love turning on at night. I got 3 strands, they're 12 feet each from Target. They ran out on this side, so I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, it kind of just stops there. But we're gonna get more. All right, now moving on to my bathroom. So right now it's not the cleanest, but it's okay. So these hand towels and bath towels are from Target. This candle is from Home Goods. We've got my Sunbum refills that they sent. My toothbrush is from Gobi. Shower curtain is from Urban Outfitters, and so are these little rug things as well. They're very cute. I like the aesthetic of it. Pretty sure that's it. Like, yeah, I mean, everything else is pretty self-explanatory. In these jars, I have my razor refills for my Flamingo razor. There's like 6 of them in here because, you know, go through a lot. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't, don't do anything. I hope you guys like my new room. I'm obsessed with it. It's really fun taking pictures and stuff. Let me know what you think. And for everybody asking, there's been a lot of questions asking like how much the total of the room was. I thought I would just like let you guys know, and in no sort of way am I trying to like brag and say about how much this was. But just for people who do want to know, the average total of this was a little over $1,000, I would say. But then again, I couldn't have done it without you guys, with all of your love and support on my YouTube channel and supporting my music. So thank you so much. I love y'all, and I will see you in my next video.